In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a WordPress website from scratch. This process is going to take only about 5 minutes, so you'll want to follow along closely to get your website up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, we need to go to wordpress.com. This is the official website where you'll be managing everything related to your WordPress site. You can simply open up your preferred web browser and type in wordpress.com in the address bar. Once you arrive on their homepage, you should see the WordPress logo at the top, assuring you're in the right place. The next step is to log in. Look for the Login button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on that, and it will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to create one. It's quick and straightforward. Simply follow the instructions they provide, ensuring you choose a secure password to protect your site. Once you've successfully logged into your account, it's time to head over to WordPress Home. You can think of this as your central dashboard. Here, you'll be able to manage all aspects of your site creation and maintenance. The navigation is pretty intuitive, typically offering a sidebar on the left with various options you can explore later on. Next, you'll want to click on My Home. This option is usually found directly within your dashboard. It's essentially your command center where you'll find all the tools you need to start building your website. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with this area. Exploring your options can offer valuable insights as you proceed. Now, find and click on the plus icon, which allows you to start the process of adding a new site. This is a crucial step because this is where the magic begins. You'll be creating a brand new site that will serve as your digital footprint on the web. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see an option that says ADD New Site. Clicking on this will kickstart the creation of your WordPress website. At this point, WordPress will guide you through some initial setup questions. You'll need to choose a name for your site, as well as a theme or layout that suits your style or brand. Remember, the theme you select will play a significant role in your site's overall look and feel, so make sure it aligns with your vision. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to create a WordPress website. From here, you can continue customizing it to your liking. Keep exploring the WordPress dashboard to discover features that will help enhance your site. Thanks for watching, and happy site building!